soft golden background with balanced scales. Lucas stands above the city, a modern king of business. Every worker below follows decisions Lucas has already made. Lucas studies numbers, not faces. Evan senses change coming, but cannot stop it. Evan senses change coming, but cannot stop it. Martha works quietly, unseen by those in power. With one click, many futures are placed at risk. Evan understands that leadership without care creates fear. Martha believes hard work should protect dignity. The outside world reacts to the king's decision. Power brings loneliness when ethics are ignored. Power brings loneliness when ethics are ignored.
Evan learns leadership begins with integrity.
For the first time, Lucas sees someone beyond numbers. Authority feels hollow without trust. Truth reaches him when silence speaks loudest. History reminds him that rulers must protect people. Reflection replaces pride. Lucas chooses counsel over command. Voices once ignored are finally heard. True ethics seek no reward. True ethics seek no reward. Responsibility feels lighter when shared. A good example creates future leaders. Humility returns home unchanged. Modern kingdoms still follow ancient laws. A true ruler stands with the people. Ethics shine brighter than power. Leadership without ethics is power without honor. True rulers serve before they command.